Alrick Clarke.
Mr. Clarke, coach of Tarrant, not the result that you'd want today, but what will you take away from this game?
Well, it's a difficult one, but we have some youngsters who show some grit. I think we lost a few players for this game, but no excuse. Stats played well, and we didn't make the adjustment. But I see something that we can work for.
All right. Well said. I realize that in the midfield, Stats kind of dominated the midfield. What do you think he could have done to really adjust that and fix that up a little bit?
What happened is that our centre link is suffering from some injuries, you know.
Okay.
So it's a bit slow change in the midfield. So we just have to press along, and hopefully we can make the necessary adjustment for the next game.
All right, Mr. Clarke. All right. Good game again, and see you next time. Yeah?
Yeah, man.